I think the National Library is a really special place because it's a very modern library in that it has all of the facilities that you need to do research in the 21st century while at the same time being in a grand, beautiful building.
As a postgraduate, it's very helpful for me to find rare books, to find lots of information, articles that you can't find either online or in the normal library. And I just love history and I think it needs to be remembered.
I think the National Library of Wales is a very special place to me because I think it's a sanctuary in the middle of Aber, and I think it's a place that I will really hold very close to me even when I leave Aberystwyth.
Fflir Dafydd I fi, dwi'n awdur a fi yw'r nofelydd na sgwennu y llyfrgell sydd yn nofel wedi gosod yn Llyfrgell Genedlaethol Cymru. Nes I ddewis y llyfrgell fel lleoliad ar gyfer y nofel, nid oherwydd prydferthwch yr adeilad yn unig, ond oherwydd y byd cudd yma sydd tu ôl I ddrysau caeedig, y llefydd mae rhaid I chi cael caniatad I fynd iddyn nhw.
It's just spectacular. Coming up the hill from Aber, you can see it, it stands out a mile, and it's just somewhere that I feel wants to draw you in.